Hiya, in this video I'm going to show you something different. Instead of doing like a proper tutorial, I'm just going to show you this kit. It's a flower pressing kit, so it gives you everything you need in here to press flowers. That's just where you take flowers, you press them, simply. You flatten them and then leave them to dry, and then you can use them for decorations like on cards and things, or frame them. So this is just a cheap kit. I got from the range. It was $4.99 and it comes with a few bits in it. It's got a flower press, 4 screws with bolts, plastic flower press tool, a picture frame, a mount board, a key fob, 2 greeting cards, 2 envelopes, 2 gift tags, 2 bookmarks, 2 self-adhesive bookmark covers, 1 record card, glue and instructions. So all of that for $4.99. So I don't know what the quality is going to be like, but we'll have a look. So this is the actual flower press, and I should borrow some scissors. I don't have it. There you go, it opens easy anyway. I've got a rough idea of how to do this. So you've obviously got the boards. So what you tend to do is you've got the boards, you kind of put cardboard down, a sheet of paper, then you put the flowers down, put another sheet of paper on top, then another bit of cardboard, then if you want more flowers you do more layers of that, put that on top, screw it down so it's nice and tight, leave it somewhere to dry out for like a few weeks depending on the flower. So this is obviously the glue, the bolts, key fob there, and that must be the flower press tool, but I don't know what that's for. It's just a plastic sticker, looks like it. So this is obviously the rest of it. Okay. So I've actually got 3 of those. They're the what are they called? Gift tags. And then these must be the bookmarks. They're just like cardboard, or thin, not even cardboard, thin card. This must be the sticky back plastic that goes with it. This must be the record labels. These are the cards where you can put the flowers in. These cards, I don't know. That one feels a lot better than this one. This one feels really, really cheap. Like it's only like thick paper rather than actual card. And then a couple of envelopes. Oh, I suppose this is quite handy. Just a little sheet of paper where you can actually write the date you pressed it, what you pressed, where you found it, just to keep tabs. So you know how long they've been waiting there. And wow, this is rubbish. This is the frame. There's no plastic or anything in it. It's just got a card backing. And yeah, it's like really cheap plastic. You can get better frames than this in Poundland. So I know I weren't expecting much, only being $4.99 for the whole lot, but this is really cheap. So if you're going to frame anything, just go and get a cheap frame. Don't bother using that. But I suppose this is all okay for like testing it out. But then I suppose you want to make like a nice fancy card and then realise you haven't done it properly. So comes the instructions, and yeah, pretty much just what I just told you to do. That's just telling you how to do it in really simple terms. So it's nice, clear instructions. So we'll give the actual press a go. I like the fact they do give you an actual keyring though. I've only ever done flower press and tried it once before. That was when I tried to dry out a couple of flowers from my granddad's funeral. I wanted to keep a couple of the flowers from the flower arrangement that we done for him. And I done that the old-fashioned way. I just put that in front of, in between 2 sheets of paper, and then put it under a really heavy box and left it just for a few weeks. And that does the same thing. You don't actually need one of these flower presses. You can just put them under something really heavy. I actually did go out and get some flowers today. I've got one of them. Got some blossoms. Another little yellow flower. It's actually really, really, really purpley purple, so I don't know why it's coming blue out on camera. Also got a leaf as well, but I think I might be too big for it. I've got actually a whole bunch of blossom. So I don't know how I want to dry this, because it will dry flat obviously. So with this, I don't know whether to have it so it leaves it that way or have it so it's opened up. I'm not quite sure. So I'll leave that one for the moment. So get the cardboard and 1 sheet of blotting paper. And just going to start laying these down. So I'm going to take like the stem off. And I don't know if I want to actually lay it out, and then when I press it, it'll press flat. So I have no idea what they're going to look like when they come out. How long they're going to take. Oh yeah, what did it say? In the instructions it actually says it can take 6 to 8 weeks. It obviously depends on the flowers and humidity and where you actually keep them, because small thin flowers are going to dry out a lot quicker than like big bushy flowers. And obviously if you're in a warm place that's dry, they're gonna dry out a lot quicker than if you're somewhere really humid. So there's all those different factors. Oh, there's like a little bud there. I'll keep that one like it is. So it's just something you have to keep going back and checking. So it won't happen in a few days, it will take a little while. But it's something that's probably worth the wait. I say probably because I've never done it on this scale before. Okay, so then you put another bit of paper on top of that. And then the cardboard. Then more paper. I don't know. I might try and keep the whole stem on this. I'll put that one on last. I'll put that one on last. This, I might try and keep the stem on this too. Just going to fold the stem over at the back. And then a leaf on that one. Yeah, so this isn't bad for however much I paid for it. Was it $4.99? They did have a cheaper one, that was $2.99, but the wooden bit of this was actually card and the screws were plastic, so that won't really, I don't think that would be worth it at all. I think that'd break quite easily. and it wouldn't press the flowers as nice. So it's worth the £2 extra to get this one, I think. And paper, this, and that's it. I don't know. Should I leave it open? Should I close it? Open. Yeah, I didn't even put the paper on that one. Whoops. Did I do it on the others? Yeah. So even though I ain't got anything on the others, I'm just going to put those on top anyway, so I don't lose them. And then this goes on top of there. I like how this isn't just plain over, it's got like a nice flower design to it. Hold that down. You get the butterfly screws in these. And this is what's going to keep it all pressed. And then we're going to leave it to somewhere to dry, and then in a few weeks I'll check on it and then show you the results. So this is only a couple of weeks later, but I've kept it somewhere warm, so I thought it might kind of dry out quicker. So I'm going to open it up and see what it looks like. So you just have to unscrew everything to get it out. So I have no idea what these are going to look like. I was going to go out and get some more, but I never did. I've been keeping an eye out though when I'm going out for walks, if there's any nice flowers about. There hasn't been really anything different, and plus I want to see what these come out like first before I actually start picking any other flowers. I have been testing out other ways to dry flowers as well, and one of them, which I'm going to be doing another tutorial for, is going to be with leaves. So there's a different way of actually drying those out, and then you can do something quite funky with them. I'm not going to say anything more on that because it will spoil it. So that's done. So I'm taking it out. There was a few empty ones, weren't there? Oh, yep, this was the daffodil. It's gone a bit of a funny colour. But, oh, it's dry. Oh, it's not quite. It's a bit floppy, but it feels dry. So that might need us slightly longer. So I think when they dry, they're meant to be drying like quite crisp. That was one of the bigger flowers though. What's this one? Oh yeah, these are the little white flowers. Looks like they're fully dried. I say that depending on the kind of flowers you're using, depends on how long they take to dry. And next one's, oh, that feels like paper. That one, don't know if you can hear it. Doesn't feel like a normal leaf anymore. And then the yellow one, the purple one. The leaves have gone quite dark on this one. It still looks pretty. That one would actually look nice in the keyring if it fits. So this has worked out quite well. £4.99 well spent. I'll be doing some more All the blossoms have gone quite dark. Oh, that one looks pretty. I'll drop it. Kept some of the pink purpley in that. Which isn't bad. These look like they're actually stuck to the page paper. I wonder if they just peel off. Oh yeah, they do. See, that one's a completely different colour to what it started off with. These were quite white, weren't they, with like little pink edge. So yeah, I can make some nice cards and things with these. Well, maybe not these exact ones, because this was my first go at it, and some of these are kind of messy. Yeah, I suppose practice makes perfect. So as a whole, I think some of these maybe need slightly longer, but this kit, yeah, quite worth the money. Like I say, the bits that come with it, like the cards and things, they're a bit cheap feeling, but for a practice kit, they're quite good. And then you can obviously invest in proper cards and things to use these for. So yeah, I did like this. So we'll be using this again, making some more creations, so keep an eye out for those. Might not necessarily be like a tutorial thing, it might just be like, I don't know, I just might do like a few videos showing you how to make random stuff that you already probably would know how to make, and then I'll just end up talking over it about something random like an update or something. I think I'd rather do that kind of update video than me standing in front of the camera, because I really don't like it. So let me know what you think, if you have tried one of these kits, or if you have found like a better one, or one that's better value, maybe you get better things in it, or maybe a more expensive one but it's worth paying that extra for it, if you know what I mean. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I say, let me know if you try one of these out, and thanks for watching. Bye!